We're gonna start off with Travis over here.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, what's up? This is Finn, aka the Groovah, and you're watching from a poly perspective.
Man, it's cold. You can see my breath. Oh, what's good? Big ups to the crew from a poly perspective. This is your man Sonny, who's so stable. Come on through. We're here at the House of Roots. We keep it rootsy with the kids. Let them know. Let them know. Utes. Yo, man. We're here in Salt Lake, Real Salt Lake, man, where we keep it booming. We've had reggae shows left and right. Freddie McGregor was here earlier this year. Sister Carol, Pato, Catch a Fire, you name it, baby. We're about to go through and check out Finn, the Groovah's rehearsal. That show's about to go down Thanksgiving Eve. Don't nobody party like the 801, baby. Big up Roots Rocker. Doughboys on the sound. I'm trying to keep you in my life. Following in. House of Roots, baby. Finn the Groovah, getting it on.
I come from a very religious background. I try to always remember who blessed me and who gave me the gift that I have of singing. Oh, most def. I haven't really found any artists that's really open to singing any of my music, but if there is any artists that's out there that's willing to kind of put their musical pride to the side and just try it out, you know, then I'll be willing to work with them. I want them to be able to feel the vibes. Just knowing that I can sing, it's something that I cherish. So it's like I want them to feel as if they have the same gift too. What I can bring to the table is definitely a different sound, a different swag. When I perform, I put my all into it, my heart and my soul.
Hey, y'all gotta go, man. Just like Finn said, Aloha, Aloha, man. Model from a poly perspective, baby. Big up Roots Rocker, big up yourselves, big up Team Poly. Check us on Facebook, check us on Twitter. Info will be on the video. Read it, baby.